IELTS speaking prediction video. This is for the month of May, especially for the students who are going to appear in IELTS in the month of May. Stay tuned. This video will be very helpful for you. Before this, I want to tell you how prediction video works. Prediction video means there is a data available to me that which cue cards examiner are asking students on continuous basis. Most of the times, you guys get the same cue card as mentioned in this video. Even if you are not getting the exact cue card, you are going to get the cue card which is very relevant to the prediction cue card. Watch this video till end and I'll show you some sample cue cards at the end of this video. Let's discuss most important topics. I'll tell you the topic and I'll tell you how to make a story on the cue card, how to be relevant to the cue cards and specifically to the cues that are mentioned in the cue card. First topic is describe a person you have recently met and find interesting. You have to tell who the person is, how you met him or her, where you met him or her. Explain what you disliked or liked about this person. So these are the cues that you have to cover. If you speak irrelevant, you won't get the desired bands. That's the reason this session is called cue card, because cues are given under the main topic and you have to cover all the cues. Next topic, describe the type of home you dream of living in. Everybody dreams of his own house, how he wants to design it, and you have to tell where it would be located, what it would look like, and what facilities this house would have. You have to cover all the topics. Everybody has a dream to build his own house according to his own choices. You have to cover the topic that you would like a brick house, 2-story, 3-story, and how you would like to design it, where it will be located, where all the facilities are available. Next topic, describe a song that you find meaningful or interesting. You have to tell what this song is about, when and where did you first hear this song, how often you listen to this song, and explain why it has a special meaning for you. Various kinds of songs are there. Some has special cultural or traditional significance. Everybody has its own taste. You can choose a song that has a special meaning for you and you can explain it in 2 minutes easily. Topic number 4, describe a city that you find fascinating and would like to visit. You have to identify the tense of the cue card. If he says you would like to visit, it means you have to speak in future tense. And if he says you have visited, it means you have visited and you have to tell how it was. You have to speak in past tense. So first of all, you have to identify the tense of the cue card. You have to tell where is it, why do you want to visit it, and what do you know about this city. You have to cover all the cues. Number 5, describe an ambition or goal always wanted to achieve but haven't yet achieved. Everybody has a dream and he wants to achieve it. Sometimes he doesn't achieve the goal that he longed for. Everybody has such kind of dream in his life. So you can talk about anything like to become a doctor, to become an engineer, etc. Run your own business, to open your firm, anything you can talk about. There are many ambitions. You have to tell what is it, why haven't you achieved it, what are you doing about it now. You also have to mention that you haven't achieved it, so you must be doing some struggle to achieve that aim. And how do you feel about it? Whether is it fascinating to work for you, feel demotivated that you won't be able to achieve, are you struggling with passion? You can tell anything. Number 6, describe a skill that you learned from an older person. You have to cover the cues like what is the skill, who you learned it from, and how you learned it, and how do you feel about it. You know, whenever you sit in the company of the elder people, you can learn cooking or any game from elder. Number 7, describe a person you follow on social media and find interesting. This is, I think, very interesting topic. Everybody follows on social media. Everybody uses social media, and he follows persons on the social media. And you have to cover who is he or she, how you know him or her, and explain why you follow him on social. You have to tell the reasons why you follow on social media. For example, if I have to make a story on it, I would like to say I follow Shah Rukh Khan on social media because he's my favorite actor. And since childhood, I've been watching his movies and his acting fascinates me. That's why I follow him on social media. And there are many more reasons. Number 8, describe a piece of clothing that someone gave you. You have to tell what the clothing was, who gave it to you, when you got it, and explain why this person gave you the clothing. On events or specifically traditional events, you've been gifted with many clothings or traditional clothings, so you can speak easily. You can speak about any event or tradition on which you have been gifted with any clothing like this. So you have to make a story. Number 9, describe a special gift that you would like to give to your friend. You should say how you knew your friend, how long have you known him or her, how would you choose a gift for him or her. You must know his or her liking or dislikings, and explain why would you choose that gift for him or her. So I think it's very easy topic because you know your friends very well, and on events like birthday or any other event, you choose gift according to the taste of your friends because since childhood or since very long you knew him very well. So this topic is very easy to speak about. Last topic, on number 10th, describe a toy you enjoyed playing with during your childhood. You should say what it was, who gave it to you, how often you played with it in your childhood. You have a lot of toys, and children usually like toys. So you have to explain about it, that which toy was your favorite. So in this way, if you cover all the cues that are given under the main heading, then you will be able to get good bands. Now I'm going to show you some sample cue cards, not only cue cards, but also the follow-up questions that are very relevant to the topic and can be asked in the upcoming exams. Thank you.